If you're still sending email manually whenever a new lead is created on Google Form, then this video is definitely for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how can we send follow-up email automatically using Gmail for new Google Form lead. Now imagine you are collecting data with the help of Google Form and sending manually emails to each and every lead. Sending it manually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Connect make a huge difference. Now, with the help of Pabbly Connect, whenever a new Google Form lead is collected or submitted, it is automatically going to send a personalized email to your lead. If you want to know how to make this automation without any coding, then let me take you to my screen. Hello and welcome to my screen. As I have told you earlier, we are going to learn how to capture lead from Google Form and send follow-up email by using Pabbly Connect. In this automation, I have connected Google Form as my trigger setup where all the lead is going to be captured. And as soon as a lead is captured, a personalized email will be sent to my new lead by using action setup, as you can see over here. For this, let me show you a real-time example. And for that, I'm going to open Google Form, and over here, I'm going to fill each and every details. Like this, where I have entered every single detail like full name as demo user, email address demoUser@pabblytudes.com, phone number, what are your interests, and the estimate date with the estimate budget. Now after filling each and every detail, I'm going to submit this form. And here my form response is submitted and recorded with them. Not only that, this data is automatically filled on Google Sheet as well, as you can see over here. Not only that, a personalized email has been sent to the lead like this, where they have mentioned, "Hi demo user, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your inquiry about sales and our team will get back to you shortly with the detail here what you have shared with us." The detail that we have shared, like I want to set up a car showroom and prefer timeline 1st November 2025. Also, they have mentioned their WhatsApp number in which we can contact with them. Looking forward to help you. Best regard, build your business. So if you want to make this automation for your own business where you're going to capture lead by using Google Form and sending personalized emails to your customer, then let me take you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be landed on the Pabbly Connect landing page. Over here, you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. Not only that, we have Pabbly community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow users. Here also you can share your ideas, ask questions and get latest features and tips for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Now let's move to the landing page. Over here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which we are working on Pabbly Connect. I will click on Access Now button of that. After selecting Pabbly Connect, we will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can create and manage all your automation from one place by using Pabbly Connect dashboard page. Before creating a new workflow, you need to remember a few points that are mentioned over here. And for building a new automation, you need to click on Create Workflow button. After that, we have two workflow builder, New Beta Builder and Classic, where New Beta Builder is modern, faster and more flexible. Classic is stable with familiar approach. For today, I'm going to use New Beta Builder to build my workflow. And after that, I'm going to provide a meaningful name. As we want to capture lead from Google Form and provide a follow-up email, I will name it accordingly as email automatically using Gmail for new Google Form lead. And below that, I'm going to select the folder in which workflow is going to be stored. Now after selecting the folder, I'm going to click on Create button to create my workflow. And here you can see my workflow is created successfully. Now to set up my automation, I need to set trigger and action, where trigger is the initial setup that start the automation and action is a task that perform after the trigger. Here I'm going to click on add trigger button to set up trigger and choose my app as Google Form, as we want to capture lead from Google Form. Below that, I'm going to select app event and I'm going to connect or update my connection. To connect my Google Form with trigger setup, I need to paste this webhook URL on my Google Form. For that, I'm going to copy this webhook URL and open Google Form from this hyperlink. And from here, you can select or make a new form. As I have already created, I'm just going to select this form and connect it with my trigger setup. For that, I need to click on response and link it with the Google Sheet. Over here, I'm going to create a Google Sheet. Here you can see a Google Sheet is created with the similar name and all the details like full name, email address, phone number, what are your interest in, brief describe your requirement, when do you need this, and estimate budget. Now over here, to connect it with trigger setup, I need to click on extension and add on the Pabbly Connect extension. To get add-ons, you need to click on get add-ons feature, and from here you can install Pabbly Connect extension. As you can see, I have already installed my webhook. I'm just going to do initial setup and click on send on event. To do initial setup, I need to paste webhook URL that we have created on our trigger setup. I'm just going to copy this webhook URL and paste it over here. Here we need to enter the trigger column. Now I'm going to submit and send the test request. And here my initial setup is completed. Don't forget to click on send on event. So every time a new lead is created, it is automatically going to be filled over here. Now as our initial setup is done, I'm going to publish this form and open the response in a new tab. And here I'm going to fill each and every detail as I have told you earlier. Like this, as you can see, I have filled each and every detail. I'm going to click on submit button to submit my form. And here you can see my form is submitted. Also, the response has been captured on my trigger setup. As you can see over here with the same details. Demo account @pabblytudes.com, estimate budget 50 lakh, phone number, and each and every information. Now as soon as the lead has been captured, I want to send personalized follow-up email to my customer. For that, I need to add my action setup. For that, I'm going to click on add new action setup and choose my app as Gmail, and below that I'm going to add my app event as send email. After that, I'm going to connect or update my connection. To update my Gmail connection, I have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have a connection, you can select the existing connection. For today, I'm going to add a new connection. To add a new connection, I need to sign in with Google, and over here I'm going to provide all the access. And as you can see, my connection is successfully created. Over here, I need to map each and every detail from the previous step. Mapping detail from the previous step help to update details whenever a new value is added on the trigger setup. First, we need to provide the sender name. Here I'm going to enter my company name manually. Below that, there is a sender email address, and below that we need to map recipient email address. For that, I'm going to click on Google Form, new response receive, and map the email address from the previous step. After that, you need to fill CC or BCC. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now next, I'm going to enter email subject that I'm going to enter manually. After that, we need to put email content. Now after entering a desired content for your email, you need to map few details from the previous step like name. Here I'm going to map the name that we have filled on Google Form, which was demo account. After that, inquiry type. It was a sales inquiry. I'm going to map that. Below that, we need to map requirement detail, where I'm going to map the detail that we have filled. Last thing, we need to map timeline that we have filled previously, which was 19 September 2025. And with that, I have mentioned WhatsApp number in which they can contact us and our company name. Now we have mapped this detail because this detail could be changed every time a new lead is submitted. Now as soon as I'm done with my content, I'm going to select the content type, which is going to be the plain, and label will be inbox. Here I have filled every single detail for my action setup. Now I'm going to click on save and send the test request. This will going to save my value and give me the required response. Here you can see I have received my response. And here you can see a personalized mail has been received with the same company name, lead name, and all the required details that we have filled. So yes, as we can see, this automation is working successfully, where whenever a new lead is being generated in a Google form, it is automatically going to be stored on Google Sheet, as well as a personalized email will be sent to the customer without any manual effort. Not only that, I have shared this workflow in my description box, and if you have any doubt, you can tell us in the comment section below. Not only that, you can create many more automation using Pabbly Connect. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free automation using Pabbly Connect. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.